Every time I feel it's going off and I love in the ice. Roll every time I beat here on some lights. Shocking my cards like a 50 guy life. For a schoolboy you win, they survive for the life. I want it out lost, it's got my top sulfur. Cost to the sun, there's a tea on my roast. Life if no wasted the fresh on me, guess me. And now somewhere pleasant, get instincts accept me. My name's Ruthless, upstairs as some boats. Walk on my farmies and bogus and shoats. Editors and leave on the functions, they give me the flashes. The patience is swift like a atlas. I stay well Martin and Wolf detail rap track about recent news events. Here we go. Turn up the volume, listen to the beats. World's going crazy, can't take the heat. From streets to streets, news never stops. Let's break it down from bottom to top. Let's screaming in, world's in a spin. Climate's changing, where do we begin? Things advancing, AI's on the rise. Truth and fiction, land before our eyes. 2024 is burning, hottest year on record. Wildfires raging, nature's discord. Amazon's ablaze, Arctic ice is melting. Climate summits talk, but who's really helping? Economy's shaky, inflation still high. Cost of living soaring, people ask why. Tech layoffs hitting, but AI's taking flight. Chat, GPT, and Gemini changing wrong and right. Elections worldwide, democracy's test. Misinformation spreads, who come out best? Trump's legal battles, Biden's aging question. World is divided on the nation's direction. Middle East tension, ceasefires, fragile state. Humanitarian crisis, debates escalate. Ukraine still fighting, 2 years have passed. Global alliances shifting fast. Feeling like screaming in, world's in a spin. Climate's changing, where do we begin? Tech's advancing, AI's on the rise. Truth and fiction, land before our eyes. Space race heats up, Mars in our sights. Private companies reaching new heights. Artemis program aiming for the moon. Will we see boots there? Maybe real soon. Pandemic shadow, new variants emerge. Healthcare systems pushed to the verge. Vaccines evolving, science marches on. But mistrust lingers, conspiracies spawn. So stay woke, keep your mind open wide. In the sea of info, learn to swim, not hide. World's complex, no easy solutions. But knowledge is power, spark a revolution. Stay informed, but don't let it break you. Together, we'll shape the future, let's make it.